Okay, so I surprised everyone at home with this strawberry dessert. Let's make
We'll have the fresh strawberry for our garden.
it. Start off by cutting 500 grams of strawberries. We're just going to cut the strawberries in half like this. After all of your strawberries are sliced up, take them and put them into a pan. Once they're in the pan, add 100 mils of water. And we are going to top this up with half a cup of sugar. Now, this amount of sugar is perfect for 500 grams of strawberries. Now, for this step, you actually don't need to turn the heat on yet. We first want to carefully mix the strawberries with the water and the sugar all together. And we want to stir this until the sugar is dissolved. Once everything is well combined, turn the heat up to medium. Now the strawberries need to boil until they form a syrup. When the syrup is nice and thick, this is ready to go. Now we are going to finish this with 200 grams of strawberry flavored gelatin. Now you want to give that a good mix until the strawberry gelatin is dissolved. When the gelatin has dissolved, it's ready to go. I guarantee that this dessert is going to surprise your family. I know they're going to love it. All right, this is the ideal result. This is what we want it to look like. At this point, we can now turn off the heat and just keep stirring this for a few more minutes. We really just want to make sure that that gelatin is well dissolved. Now we can leave this to cool for a few minutes. Once your syrup is cooled, we can pour it into a mold. Now, be very careful with this step. You do not want to burn yourself. Now we can set this aside for a moment while we go ahead and prep the next step in our recipe. So in a bowl here, I'm going to add in 200 grams of cream. Now this cream doesn't need to be cold. We're now going to add in 100 grams of condensed milk. And just add everything into the same bowl. And we're going to give that a mix. Now I'm using a whisk here. Let's give that a good mix until they're well combined. You want to mix this until we have a nice smooth cream. Now, if you prefer, you can increase the quantity of ingredients. If you're cooking for more people, add more. If you're cooking for less, then add less. Let's top this up with 50 grams of hydrated gelatin and give it a good stir until it's combined. And that is it. Our sweet cream is ready to go. Go ahead and just remove your whisk, and then we're going to take this cream and we're going to pour it all over our strawberry gelatin. Pour it in the middle of the mold so it can spread evenly throughout. Now you want to just do this nice and slow and carefully so it turns out perfect. And go ahead and put it in the fridge until it's firm. All right, after a few hours, our dessert is ready to go. Now, with the help of a plate, go ahead and remove the dessert from the mold. Do it nice and carefully. Let's see the result. And oh my goodness, look how beautiful this turned out. This dessert is so gorgeous and just full of delicious flavor. My mouth is watering. Let's give this a try. Take a generous piece and enjoy.